What's going on, guys? We're at the track with the now Nitrous Fox body. Today was a hustle. Put the Nitrous kit on today. We got some Viking shocks swapped in the rear, dialed in a lot of different things, coolant reservoir, new radiator, power steering setup's different, wired everything. There's a lot different, and this is all just temporary because we're gonna put a big old single turbo right there. But we'll see what it does on Nitrous. I'm a little worried about the wheelie issues. I talked to Kelly at Keltrack, and what? Nick's looking at me.
Yeah, what do you mean wheelie issue? The wheelies?
Well, we took 100 pounds off the nose.
Oh.
And Nitrous gonna hit right away because I'm gonna spray it right away. So yeah, I'm a little worried about the wheelie issues because it's very light up front. But I talked to Kelly, he gave me some shock settings, some rear settings, so hopefully we can get some tire separation rather than squat and lift. That's kind of what we're going for. Hopefully I don't die. I figured if it comes up wheelies really high, I can let off the Nitrous and keep the gas floored and try to let the front end down. But I have zero experience in wheelies. So, yeah, let's see how this goes.
The old purge line popped off.
Yeah, I don't need it.
The old Fox body going up against an old S10. He's so focused. Look at him. So focused. Alright, so we caught up with Andrew after the pass. We heard it breaking up, but I want to see what he said. Andrew, what was going on?
She ain't happy.
She ain't happy?
No, sir. Lean on the hip. Again. Fueling comes back. Then lean. Then good. Lean, massive lean spikes all throughout. I went on and off the Nitrous a few times, and then I think I laid off of it when it was doing all this breaking up. Then I laid back into it, and then it was good right here. Lean, which might have been a rev limiter. It's like that other tune. Maybe we should try that other tune. I mean, unless it's like still too low on fuel. But that was really funky. It went so slow.
But what'd you run at 10.9?
Screwdriver?
Yeah, I'll get your light back in for you, buddy. We need to check out that passenger tire when you get out, all right?
Yeah, it was bad.
We need to talk about it. It's pretty shredded.
You rubbed the entire way.
You're halfway down the sidewall, just so you know.
Nice.
Yeah.
Like bad.
Bad.
Jeff took a video of it, and all you see is the car just
So it came back.
Yeah.
all on that wheel though.
Oh, well, this doesn't have an anti-roll bar. So it'll
Well,
tweak over.
but still, let's go look at that. Let's go look at that wheel really quick. Oh my God!
Yeah, dude, as soon as I got a good video of your car.
Oh my God!
But then
What do you guys think? A little bit too much? Just a little, right?
shadow of the flared up rings of rubber that just came like straight up. I wish I was recording that. Like, I wish I could see that kind of detail, but it was only because of the light, you know. So.
Yeah, Andrew.
Huh?
You're like halfway at the top of the H.
Oh, so the tire's toast.
Yeah, you're done.
Yeah, well, it's too lean anyways. I don't really understand lean spikes. I just went out on the street and it was perfect.
Well, boys, appears we got two problems. Random lean issue, which I don't really understand, and car's too low. So I killed that tire. These tires are done. We've gotten a lot of use out of them. We got them from Mod Nats for the Bullet 2019. So we got 2 years of racing out on them. So might finish them off with a burnout or something when we get back to the shop.
Oh my goodness.
Woo! Hey.
Whoa.
Here you go, bro. Some earplugs for Don.
Damn, dude. Dude, that thing sounded amazing.
What?
That thing sounds amazing. That thing is loud.
Open exhaust.
Oh my God.
See what, Andrew, is I went in the trash and I got napkins and put them in my ears.
Look at that rubber. Good Lord.
But we're gonna have to investigate why it's going lean. Maybe come back Friday. We were originally getting this ready for the No Prep event this weekend, but for one, I don't think it'll be ready, and then two, it doesn't really fall into a daily vehicle.
I'm gonna say
I can put a dash in it.
dash, hood, and then apparently you don't drive it enough.
I told Marco, if you're watching this, I will drive it every day of the week. Don't care.
And post videos.
But, well, I guess it was a little bit of a bust. I mean, we went 10 something.
10.9, I think.
Yeah, which is
it's
slow.
on the video. They didn't do no time.
It doesn't matter.
I mean,
matter.
yeah, right now it don't matter, but
it's very slow. It's actually the slowest we've gone in this car. So, yeah, we'll have to figure it out. I was hesitating. I was trying to look at the data and lay back in and out of the nitrous to try to figure out, like, you know, is it running bad? You know, it might need a set of spark plugs too. You know, because bad plugs, you know, blowing up the spark, it can show a false lean condition too.
I said that.
Yeah, he said spark plugs. It worked fine earlier, but we should pull the plugs out of it. Normally,
take it from the guy that doesn't have his car anymore. Due to what?
Well, yeah,
spark plugs.
Yeah. But see, the difference is I lift when it starts hesitating.
Well, yeah, I didn't.
Center.
Yeah, I did.
Center till she's dripping.
Things happen. But don't worry, I'll be back with another car eventually.
Yeah, but like the video, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Subscribe if you're new, and this thing's gonna turbo here pretty soon, so if the nitrous thing don't work out, don't worry. But I like nitrous, so it should work.